Hey everybody, Cruiseman here from Cephalonia, Greece. Never been here before.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
But as you know, we're out of the country working on a project for our other website, Cruise Report. But I did want to take a second. That's why I'm wearing a different cap. This is the Cruise Report cap, but I do have my Cruiseman's Garage t-shirt on, my Shadow Wing. Anyway, wanted to let you know a couple of very important announcements. Number one, Bond Body Armor is offering a $65 discount on any two armored products of theirs. This is to kind of celebrate, we're about to hit 65,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, and they were very nice to offer our viewers and our subscribers this special discount. So go to bondarmor.com and check that out. Also, Wing Stuff has a summer sale going on right now. You may want to check that out. You might want to also check out wingstuff.com for tires. If you need tires, Bridgestone has a rebate going right now. It's a $60 rebate if you get a set of tires for your Goldwing. It's a very good deal. I've done it a couple of times in the past, and Wing Stuff ships them out for free. So check out that tire special. Look forward to getting back. I'll be back in about 3 or 4 days. We'll be shooting some more, doing some more motorcycle videos for you. And I've got a special announcement coming up as soon as we get home that I think you're going to want to know about. So anyway, thanks. Oh, and another Crown and Comments coming very soon. So thanks for letting me take a little vacation time. I'm going to be gone again in September, but that's okay. We'll have lots of videos in the pipe for you. So hope you're riding often and riding safe.